How to create a Pokemon Go account. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To create a Pokemon Go account, firstly you can head over to Pokémon.com. If you have the application, just launch the app in your device or head over to Pokémon.com or join.Pokémon.com. Start off by selecting your country or region from where you are playing your Pokemon Go. Then enter your date of birth. And click on Continue. Then tap on I am sure. Enter your email address and confirm it. Once done, tap on the little square box icon and click on Continue once again. After which you need to read all of this, or you can just read it superficially, then tap on the Accept button. Again, click on Accept. Choose your screen name or you can skip it as well. Once done, tap on Continue. Then enter your password. Once you entered both your username and password, click on Create Account. Then tap on I am sure. Next step would be to enter a code that will be sent to your email address. So check out your email address. Once you get the code, just paste it over here and tap on Continue. After that, you have successfully activated your account. Tap on Return to Pokemon. Once you do this, now you can good to go and log in using your credential, that is a username and password that you entered to create your Pokemon Go account. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.